Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV. Boy.
Do not want to have nothing conversation to do with this woman. She go away. Move. Go away. Now go up the argument with me. Move. Go away. Fuck off. Fucking bitch. Fuck off. Kiss my fucking black ass. Me and you talk good. If you have a blood clot problem with me, and if me have a problem with you, I would have come to you and said it. I never have a problem with you. I never say nothing bad about you. And you blood clot make a madman in a jail. We are mad blood clot zero man. We are chat you. We are in my friend them inbox. I look them. In my friend Nelly inbox. I tell her him want to eat her back here. You hear me just pay how much life. But I tell him want to eat that one here. He want to eat big pearl back here. He want to eat this, eat that. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Boom.
Wow.
Fuck off. Fuck off.
Wow.
Just
Wow.
fuck
Okay,
off,
are you
bro.
finished, pause?
Fuck off, bro.
Okay,
Because you
right.
could have come and call me.
So,
Yeah, come, the man I come tell you. The man I come tell you, say me. This is the fucking vice note. The man I come tell you, oh, me say you careless. Me not have you, me never know if you careless. Or the fuck me attack say sitter, careless you attack for each up our phone with the man. Yeah, come blood clot. Me and you sit attack for days, for hours. You even tell Cash Queen, say, oh, you're my secret, I'm a
okay,
secret
so,
Cash Queen, this,
all right,
that.
I think I've had enough of you now. So, today on Love Sundays Live,
Fuck off,
I
bro.
heard with my
Me
own
play me
ears,
something.
you said, I called your phone asking you questions regarding Blair. Yeah? Okay. Listen, people, this was a Sunday at about, I think it was
Yeah,
about
big
11,
woman, you're big and
11:30
careless, you
a.m.
know.
I can't
You're
remember
big
the
and
date.
careless. You never come
received
for
a
Instagram, come
call.
fight the war for
I
your kidney.
received a call
But you're there
from
for
Blair. Oh,
Instagram and
post be
fight
quiet.
war for dirty,
Post
stinking
be
prison
quiet.
man in a
Have
war,
some
yo.
manners. Larry, mute post because we can't hear the lady in peace.
Auntie Pause, just hear what she has said,
What,
please, for me.
what, what,
Anyway,
If you
that Sunday.
hear what she has said, I'm not going to sit up for 3 days. Yeah. All right, go ahead, Miss Maxine.
Right, so that Sunday, I received a call from Blair. He was very annoyed. This is what it says, right? Bush just called me because she noticed your picture on my DM, and she's saying to me, take down the lady's pic. You've got no right to have the lady's pic on your DM. She didn't give you she didn't give you, I
no
didn't
right.
give him the right to put it up. Take it down. Okay. What did Blair do? Blair joined Post onto the call. So it was Blair, myself, and Post. When Post answered the live, she goes, "Oh, who did you add me with?" So I said, "Oh, morning, Post," and she went, "Oh, morning." She went, "You see, he has your picture up." I said, "I've given him permission to put it up because he asked." Okay.
And when me say,
Then
what
Post says to me,
what did I say? Me say, oh, I say to you,
Not
I
tell
saw
what
the
Pooch
picture.
that now.
No, hold on. What did I say? Don't I say to you, I saw the picture from a couple of weeks, he put it up, and I don't say, and I spoke to you twice, and I never tell you that he have your picture up. Didn't I say that to you?
all right, stick a pin, Post. He never had the pick up for 2 weeks.
I don't know how
That's
long
a
he have
lie.
it up. When I spoke to you,
Right?
hold on,
Post.
let me do it.
Pause. We start having a conversation.
No.
I
Let me
then
do it.
asked you.
Listen.
Pause, I'm not even going to shout with you
I'm
tonight.
not shouting
I'm
because
not going to go there.
I'm not gonna shout to
Pause.
become a
I
zero
turn
IQ
around
turned
and
down.
I ask you in the presence of Blair. Pause. What do you know about Blair? You said you
What is relevant now?
don't know anything about Blair, but he is an alright person. But hold on, listen, don't. It might not relevant to you, Puss, but we want here. Talk, Maxine. Then Puss said to me, I said, we are getting to know each other. So when did I call you, Puss, on your phone and ask you question about Blair without Blair being there? When did I do that?
Maxine, you come like you need to go take your medication. Maxine, didn't you call me? Hold
you
on.
can say what you like. I am not going to go there with you, Puss. I'm not
Maxine,
going to
did
give you what you
call
want.
me? Hold on.
Right? You
Did
call
you
my
call me
name,
on
so
your
I
call?
wanted to answer.
Oh my
That's it,
God.
Puss. I'm not going to be cursing and swearing because that is not to me, Puss.
You look,
That
you
is not to me.
just look
You
like a
are a
clown now,
liar.
bitch.
Right.
Maxine, didn't you call me? Hold
Second
on.
thing,
Hold
I
on.
heard you said, or I sent him, what's the word you use? Whatever word you use, prison money, whatever. Yes, I have. You've asked me, and I said,
I never
yes,
asked
I
you
have.
nothing, Maxine.
After
Do
I
not tell a lie on me. I didn't ask you. I would never ask you your personal business. No,
you
Maxine.
asked me.
No, don't lie, Maxine.
Puss, I
Maxine.
told you how much money I
No,
sent
did
him.
no.
Then
Don't
you
lie, Maxine.
turn
Maxine,
around, Puss,
you don't need to lie,
you
Maxine.
turn around,
Jesus
you
Christ.
Puss turn around and said to me, don't let Blair take you for a fussy. And remember, I haven't given my niece and nephew any money, meaning your grandkids. Puss.
No, Maxine, stop lying. You tell me, Maxine. Remember what you said, you know.
Puss,
Maxine,
am
you
I
speak.
lying?
Maxine,
Yes or no?
I spoke. Don't tell a lie on me.
Pardon?
Don't tell a lie. Let me speak. Maxine, remember we are talk about different things. We are talk about TK Max. We call what we call about some other mix up where you see a guana, you call me and I tell.
I am keeping to the point. I am
No,
sticking
no,
to.
no, make
I
we
don't
go to
care
the
about
point. No,
TK Maxx,
no, we are going to where you call me.
Did
Hold
you
on.
say to me,
Maxine,
Paul,
remember you.
after I told you how much money I've sent Blair,
No, you are
did you
compliant.
not say to me,
Maxine, no.
don't let
Maxine,
Blair
that don't make
take you
sense.
for a
Maxine,
fancy, and
Maxine,
remember you haven't sent your niece and your nephew no
you're lying,
money.
Maxine.
Am I
You're lying.
right or am I
Maxine,
wrong, Paul?
you're lying. You're lying. I never said that to you. Listen what I said. Don't lie, Maxine. You can't.
Puss, okay. You
Maxine,
say a lie. Okay, a lie.
make
Right.
we talk.
Thirdly, Puss, I
Maxine,
heard you said, I must go and take my medication. Okay, Puss?
Maxine, hold on.
Okay.
Hold on. Let me
Now
speak.
listen to this, people. This is before I even knew Blair, spoke to Blair, met Blair on the Instagram. Puss rang me one time and we were having a conversation. Puss asked me a question. The question that Puss asked me, it triggered me off. So I opened up a little bit what I went in my life with Puss.
I mean by Puss, I want Maxine to talk, and she don't
Puss
want me to
think,
talk.
no,
When you
Puss,
talk about price,
You don't think you can
she
threaten
has
me, Puss.
speak, so me need to speak back to respond to her.
Puss,
Oh,
I'm a
listen.
strong individual, Puss. How dare you?
Maxine, shut up. Shut up, man, because you don't make no sense. Listen. Maxine, listen.
Because you have
Maxine,
an issue with Blair.
Maxine,
Puss,
Maxine,
Puss,
Maxine, you don't make no
tell you
sense.
something,
Hold on,
Puss.
Maxine, you don't
I
make no
am
sense.
coming from a very, very dark place. Puss.
Maxine,
I
you don't
thank
make
the
from
Lord
you just
that
started
I can sit
Maxine,
in
then
my
go
front
to
room
Bellevue.
now and
Go
say
to my
I
house and if you're
am
coming from
a
a dark
strong
place.
person.
Maxine, you're not making no
I
sense.
had severe
Maxine, you're not making any sense. You're desperate. You're desperate. Maxine, listen. You don't make sense.
With a
All right.
little bit of help with
Diary.
How
Diary,
fucking dare
listen.
you
She
stinking
talk, let me talk now. Diary.
fucking
Whoa,
slag.
whoa. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Hold on, Miss Maxine. Give 1 second. Where you supposed?
Diary. Miss Max, she's lying. Remember, you know, Blair have up the woman picture. Oh, like, me want to tell you, say, me about this woman.
Hold on,
Let me
post.
speak. Let me
Fly.
speak.
You can't say I'm not being fair. They are having a conversation. I'm just connecting the lines. This is not my
Ignore
show.
that. Ignore she. She don't know nothing. Ignore her.
Oh, post listen now.
Let me know
Li-
reaction
Listen,
now.
listen.
I
All right, hold on,
can't tell
Diary.
pussy stop
Diary,
talk
listen.
because
Just listen,
pussy and
Diary.
his vaccine that come from far.
Diary, just
If
listen.
you don't know the story,
Listen,
just leave
Diary.
it
Hold on.
They
alone,
ignore those enough
Diary.
newbies.
Remember
Where
when
my
Maxine
corner where they
called me, you
come
know,
from.
when she
Diary,
called, when
I don't want to be going
okay.
around corners with puss,
When
yeah?
she's calling me,
I'm
you know,
coming
hold
straight
on.
to the point with puss. I'm not
Diary.
gonna add on. Oh, we spoke about the couch, we spoke about the plant, we spoke about the rug.
Yeah, but you're
Just
not
get
talking that
to the
lady. You
point,
talk something
puss.
when it makes
I'm not
sense.
belonging it
Because
and
now you're not
belonging
talking
it.
the truth.
You
Diary. You
you
talk her,
cannot,
Diary.
and
Shut her
will
up when I
not,
get to talk now.
and will
hold
not
on.
Shut
ever
her up when I
bring
get to
me
talk
down,
now.
puss. Don't you dare. So
Go
if you
away, man.
want to
Can you come
say
out?
what we
You're so
spoke about in
stupid. You're
private,
so stupid.
puss,
You're so
Alright, let
bring
she
it,
desperate.
finish
because
her
this is
statement
what
Desperate.
you
then we
do.
start. Make she finish the
Uh,
statement and then start post. Hold on. Finish Miss Maxine, then give puss a chance to talk.
Diary, what she
So,
did, remember as
I
me
should
said to
finish or
you,
puss should finish.
me
Which
and
one?
her
Hold
talk
on,
about this.
post make she finish and then you start. Make she finish up and then you start. I will listen to you. You
But
gotta go
Diary,
say. Go ahead, Miss
when she
Maxine.
says something when me know says
Right.
that what she said, me gonna respond.
Well, and the baby just scared. Just make she finish it and then we start with you. Cause them say me not mediate it. So me now me mediate it so people can't hear the both of you now. Go ahead, Miss Maxine.
Right. So when I heard Puss says, "Oh, go and take your medication," you're threatening me, Puss. Puss, I thought you were a friend. Not even a
Kiss my
friend,
black
Puss,
fucking
yeah, a
ass. Fuck
sister,
off.
yeah. Puss, you invited me
No,
to come
no.
and stay with you in the hotel for your
You
sister's
say, stop lie, stop
dance.
lie,
Puss,
stop lie. That's what me tell you, say this woman is
am I right
lying.
or wrong,
This
Puss?
woman is
I
so
said, no,
lying in the
hold on,
diary.
Puss. I'm not going to have you
Diary,
keep calling me a
diary,
liar.
she talk, let me
You
get
keep
to
saying
talk, let
I'm
me
a
get to
liar.
talk.
I've never
No, she
once
had
said that
deflect
you're
and
a liar,
got
Puss.
different place
I'm
now.
listening to you. I am speaking the truth, Puss.
Yes.
I
Oh my
am
God.
speaking the
If you're
truth.
talking the truth, why I need
How
to
many
say you're
times have you
lying?
invited me to your home
Listen, let me talk.
before,
Don't tell a
before
lie
you
for
move
me.
where you at
Don't tell
now,
a lie
Puss?
for me.
Right?
Diary,
So,
listen what she said.
oh my
Diary, let me speak.
Jesus.
Let me tell you
All
what
right,
she did. Let
Diary.
me
Right,
speak now.
hold on. What I'm going to do, Diary, it's only fair. I'm going to mute my mic and then I'm going to allow Puss to talk. I'm not going to interrupt whether she's telling lies or not,
I don't
okay?
need to tell lies.
Yeah.
This not
Go
benefiting
ahead,
me for me to tell lies.
Antipus. Go ahead,
This not
Antipus.
benefiting
Go
me
ahead.
for me to tell lies. Diary, me
Yeah.
and her are talk about, it was different argument we are talk about. Anyway, one argument me father. When she said me call her, yeah? Remember, you know, me and her talk about different things. Me and her talk about when Foley this month she picked me, so she start call me, you know. And I say, oh, Foley, da 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 da. It start from one argument to another. And that make how she call me, how she not call me, how long, you know, that's so the argument. Till she did they talk, and we are talk about this and we are talk. Then when it come back again, that's how she get to call me again. It's the said argument, you know, again, make she call me, you know. When she say fall upon my life, and I say, why me have fall upon my life? And I saw it start back last week when she called me again, that's what we were talking about. You know, me I say, me not really pay for them and I follow that blah 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 ray. Me go about my business. Listen this, you know. We are talk. She said to me, say, oh post me, I tell her, I say, she said, oh post, I was sorry with some nice designer bag ray. I say, yeah. And she say, you know that when I said to her, I said, Mr. Max in the area, they look good at you, whatever we are talking about. I say, may I get some nice jewelry and rare. She said to me, oh, TK Maxx have some nice jewelry. And she started showing me some Calvin Klein and rare. I say, oh, Mr. Maxine, yeah, they look good. But you know, Calvin Klein and them branded. So we just have to say, oh, Mr. Maxine, I like that Mr. Maxine, but knowing me, Calvin Klein and them something there. And my style, them for people just a come. So me just say, me just encourage, because I don't want to feel that way. She said, oh yeah, I'm buy that little short set. And she said to me, say, oh, Puss, I didn't want to come to some party. And then she said to me, say, oh, I need to come to your sister Kerry party. But because the last time she said, one time she asked Munchie to come to party, Munchie said she can book hotel and she feel a way. So I turn to her and I say to her, Miss Maxine, you don't have no problem because if you're coming, sis, you can come at me because I have 3 beds in where I am in my hotel. She said, okay. You understand? Argument closed with that. It's nothing where she come talk this and that. Me and her talk. Remember, I know, when me see Blair
I'm not
picture.
interrupting, but this is only relevant. Post, can you just get to the
But
point?
now, you start it up for me, and you bring it to this, so for me, I take you back to me, you see. Go ahead. So, anytime, Mr. to her, say, no, say, Mr. Miss Maxine, when we talk, she said to me, say, remember a different thing we are talking about a Foley, you know. She turned and started to tell me about Blair. Remember me and her talked 2 to 3 weeks ago. I see Blair put up her picture, but I asked her, I never say nothing to her. Because I know I saw Blair still. He put up everybody picture, say, I fuck them, and re. When we see him picture, me, I'm going to say to Blair, say, Blair, why you put up Maxine picture? You know, me, I go tell her, but me never tell her. Me never say nothing to her. So when she called me, when time we did and I talk about different thing, she called me, Diary. She called me, asked about something, and I say, oh, what
Lies you're telling, lies.
Oh my
I
God.
rebuke you in the name of
Listen
Jesus.
to me now, man. Listen to me, Diary.
I never had conversation with you on your own when I asked the question.
Diary.
What
So
do you
Blair
think?
was there. So Blair was there. So
Hello,
Blair was there when me and you talk about him. And you
It
talk.
was you, me, and Blair.
No, one time. What? Listen, lady. One
I
time you
asked
come.
you,
Oh my God.
what do you
One.
know
Listen,
of Blair?
Diary. Stop
You
off from
said
talking.
you
Me get to
don't know
talk now.
anything about Blair, but Blair's an alright
Diary.
person.
When
Did
she
you not
when
post yes
let me
or
talk
no?
now. Diary. When me see Blair
We
put up her
get
picture,
this over quick,
I
one,
never
two. No
say
long
nothing
thing.
to this
No
mad
long
woman.
thing.
I never say nothing
No
to this
long
woman.
thing.
I didn't say nothing to this woman, you know. Me frightened. I frightened.
When I
Hold
talk,
on,
I
let me
just want to
speak now,
answer. I
man.
just want to answer
Let me
questions.
speak,
That's
my
it. I
lady.
just want to throw
So
questions
what
at you.
happened
You
now,
answer.
Diary?
That's it. I'm not in
What
no long
happened?
thing, mate. Did you not
Mute
say to
yourself, the
me
dirty
when
woman.
I
Move
told
yourself
you
now.
I sent
You
money
think you're
for
a
Blair?
Bellevue, Gwen,
Did
man?
you not
You
turn
just
around
talk,
and say to
I'm
me,
quiet.
don't let Blair
Diary,
take you
you
for
control the something,
Massey
I'm never end up, you
because
know.
you haven't sent
Miss Maxine.
your niece and your nephew any money yet? Post, did you say that to me, yes or no?
You're
Answer,
lying.
please.
You're
Post,
lying,
did
Miss
you
Maxine.
yes or no?
She's lying.
She said no, you're lying.
Listen,
Alright.
Diary, listen what she said, Diary. Let me tell you what she said.
Diary and everybody
Oh
else who
my
can
God,
listen to me.
Diary. But the woman
I'm
stop talking, let me
British,
get to
yeah?
talk now.
I would not swear on my
Diary,
son.
you
Hold
swear
on,
upon, you
guys.
I've
swear
never
upon
done
all of
swear.
them that.
Hold
Hold
on a
on,
minute.
guys.
I've
Hold
never sworn
on.
on my son's
Hold
life.
on,
Listen
guys.
up.
And post,
It's Maxine.
you are a
I
liar.
don't need to lie.
It's
Why would I
Maxine.
lie?
Just make sure
What
get our
benefit me
thoughts
for me to
across.
lie for that?
Alright,
No, but this is
Make you
long. Listen,
stop
it's
chat
coming
now,
at
make
1
you
o'clock
stop
in the
chat,
morning. I've
man.
got to go
You
to
try
work,
put on a
sweetheart.
show for the
I'm not
dirty
going to
man.
be
You put on
staying
your
up till
show.
3 o'clock
Dirty
like
woman, go on
last
where
night
you gonna mad
yesterday.
woman, go
I'm
on
not
now.
doing it.
Go on, man, you
Post
come
is
on
a
the circle,
liar.
you know, wait till the time. So
Post,
listen now. Listen, go
all
away,
man
don't call
was
me name.
playing is,
So guess what
how
happened now,
long those
diary? Guess
voice
what
notes
happened
from
now, diary?
1989,
When me and I were talk
1987?
now, diary, when me and I were talk,
All you're
Blair talk,
talking about,
me and I don't talk.
Maxine,
Diary, make you stop talking, let me
Sita,
get to talk now.
Blair,
hold on.
Maxine, Sita, your
Diary,
name is not included. Your name is totally
diary,
out of it.
when she,
Post, don't come for me,
when
Post.
she,
I am not a
and then you
liar
come
and
for
I will
me,
never
and
be a
you come
liar,
for me,
Post.
idiot
I will
woman.
speak the
You
truth.
come for me, you
If
just a bag
anyone
of mouth
wants to
because you could
say
have
what they
called
want
me.
to
I
say
called you
about me,
5 times
Post,
last night,
I
but you
don't
never
have an
answer.
issue with that.
And you
But
come
I
for
am
me.
asking you, Post,
And you come
do
for me.
not,
Dari, tell me
do
outlet.
not
Dari, stop
tell
this
no
mad woman
lies
from
on
talk now.
me.
Dari,
Thank you
you
very
said me
much,
call her.
Diary.
Me
Have a
at the
good night,
vice
people. I'm in the
You hear
comment
me,
section.
Dari?
Yes, darling.
Give her a chance to talk.
Question. Yes, Bashi. Is it because she tell you that he's an alright person why you go for him, or because you really truly like him why you go for him? I was speaking with Blair before she even said that to me, Bashi. Okay, I understand now. Yeah, so I just start getting to know Blair. When she asked me what do I think of Blair, my answer was I'm getting to know Blair. Well, we are getting to know each other. That was the answer.
Diary, you're gonna make this woman talk or what?
I don't need to lie.
Alright.
Puss, you a liar.
Miss Maxine, give us a chance to talk. Oh, God.
Diary, me and
Yeah.
the woman talk about whatever we are talking about. I never even did know that she and Blair was dating.
Yeah.
So when me see Blair pitch up on her, something me and her talk about 3-4 times about the Foley situation and Uko situation, she tell me say Uko, wait name, the last time she come and say, oh, Uko I call police for Miss Wang, and she a call me and I tell me, you know, this is the woman we a call me and I tell me, you know, oh, Uko call police for you, blah blah blah, where she call me and I tell me that.
Yeah, I'm supposed to can't hear you. Something's going on with your phone.
Yeah, but all of that is irrelevant to the matter we are going to
friend, so she gotta tell you.
All right, that's irrelevant to the matter we are going. Brasty, can you see? All right, can you see what I'm trying to say? Yeah, pause. Where it's not necessary in the conversation. Okay, so if you want to go.
Me and her keep correspond by them argument, Diary. Me and her correspond. She never should have talked about things that are relevant.
Bring me more than
Me and her correspond, Diary. Me and her correspond about them something that she call me and
bring me more than I bring.
Me and her correspond by them something, Diary. Listen to this, Diary.
I'm not denying that I
stop talking now. Every time if you finish with train of thought, there's nothing woman still at
I'm not denying that I don't call postpone.
Well,
But postpone me.
I don't call you. You call me and tell me, say, Ukwa call police. You call me. Me never call you. You start calling me, not me. Stop lying, woman. You call me and me say, me call me and me call you back.
She can't talk. She can't have a conversation. This is what she does.
And you call me, so stop lying. So stop lying. Stop lying. I don't need to lie.
I can shout and I can yell if
I
want to.
This woman irritate people.
I'm coming to you as a grown
talk already. Me need to talk.
You know what, Diary? Yeah, you know, at one point I thought Puss was older than me. I swear to God. Let me tell you how I find that I am older than Puss on the same conversation with me, her, and Blair. Yeah,
I'm Blair about talk
no long time. I said, Puss, you're older than me. She goes, how old are you? And I said, I'm 52. She goes, oh, I'm 50. And I said, oh, Puss, you know what? I always thought you're older than me. No, I'm not even trying to
me look younger than you, do. Me look younger than you. You're 78. Me look younger than you, Maxine.
Right?
Me look younger than you, man,
So
man, town.
Respect for Puss because
man, don't have respect for your pussy. You have respect for your pussy and your mouth, madam.
Not two beautiful ladies.
Hey,
but
if you have an issue with Blair Post, what is the problem? What is the problem? You can't control me. You can't, and then you come in on my phone telling me not to go out with Blair. You
what you say me do? What you say tell you, sir?
And then you're gonna say I'm lying about that as well.
What you say me tell you, sir?
I'm lying about that.
Hold on, man, teddy bear. What you say me tell you, sir?
Names. Pause. If I want you and people to be in problem,
man, shukun pen. What me tell you, sir?
But I'm showing
man,
you
shulung bang. Call the name. Man, shulung bang. What me tell you, sir?
So if you want to go and say black, pink, green, you go right ahead. I'm not going to follow you, Post. Because that is who you are. That is not
did what
me.
You say? What did the Dolly say? What did Dolly say?
Stop
what did
it nice and trying to make it ready.
What did the Dolly say? What did Dolly say?
Just one question. Well, I'm supposed to ask one question. Michael, is it true that when you call Puss and Cash Queen, say you've always been a team Cash Queen and she never answer me because she better than me, so?
No. Okay, the Cash Queen incident. Cash Queen, it was Post, myself, and Sita. Cash Queen rang Sita's personal phone, I think, and Sita wanted to add Cash Queen to the call. Sita asked if it's okay. I said, as long as no one is taping or recording, I'm not on it. She said, no, she's not. She came on it. we all were talking about diary, but not even diary. It was about who she have an argument with at the moment. I don't want to call names, sweetheart, yeah? But I was saying to Cash Queen, to done with the argument, do not go back and start problem because it's not going to finish. I said, Cash Queen, I like how you are defending
take one jump
yourself.
and I'm gonna get to finish
This is nothing to do with diary. This is with Nikki Blacks. This is to do with Nikki Black. So don't call Diary's name, Puss. You are a liar, Puss.
Diary, did I call your name?
Diary's name, Puss.
Did I call your name, Diary, more than I said? She said she's a Team Cash Queen and she's a secret watcher. I never called Diary name. Said Diary take the capital. She want to
I said to Cash Queen, I'm a secret Team Cash Queen. Reason being because everyone was coming at Cash Queen.
Then I see him thing just say.
Come in, no say your Team Cash Queen or the bumbo pussy rascal are going over your
yeah, yeah.
So what are you talking about, Paul? I still never mentioned Diary name. What the fuck are you talking about, woman? What are you talking about? Let's talk, okay? Let's talk about when Sita wanted to have a conversation regarding Diary. One minute, Diary. 1 minute, please. 1 minute. 1 minute. What did I say to Sita? Sita, don't continue to argue with Diary because you will never win. You will never win. I said, Sita, when Diary was robbing you, I was laughing. I was laughing. Did I not say that to Sita, yes or no? Puss.
Come suck me up.
Sita can't bring no argument to me with Diary. Are you mad?
Yeah, mix up, man.
Why are you creating problem, Puss?
Are you a cost problem? Are you a cost problem? Are you a talk problem? Somebody say talk, say, are you a cost problem, lady? Can you come tell I say me, your man tell you say me a class, you know, I've not proof of that dirty woman.
All right then, woman. All right then, Puss, I'm gonna ask a question and you answer it.
Stop me old. I want to take the 18-inch wood and bust out your blood clot and so. Move.
The last phone call that you made to my phone.
Come stop me
when I answered my phone, what was the first thing you said? I'm not going to call names. I want you to do it. Go on.
No, you attack.
I'm waiting.
You attack, dirty woman. You attack.
I'm waiting, Puss. No, because the reason why I'm saying I'm waiting.
Me not call me. Me just a say it's a secret Cash Queen.
So you want to call
you
name drop.
You only say you're a secret Cash Queen.
I want to name drop. I want you to call the name.
You say you're a secret Cash Queen.
My question to you, Puss.
You say you're a secret Cash Queen.
To Maxine's phone. When Maxine says hello, what did you say to Maxine? Continue. Waiting.
I asked you, said Maxine didn't fall. Then you told me that Foley was cursing my son. I said to you, didn't you call me and told me, because I weren't on Foley live, that Foley was cursing my son? And I said to Munchie, say, Foley was cursing my son. She said, no, it's a lie, me a tell. Nasty woman, anything me blood clot, so me can say, cause me big bad and blood clot, but I mean not want a girl, nothing. I mean a chat girl, anything me have to tell girl. Me tell girl that blood clot. God! Move your blood clot, so we can think with something. And you me call back, I call you back to prove it, to ask you said, I even said to property and me go call Maxine. I call you back to say, Munchie say she never, me never tell her say, she never know say Foley across the son. So me said, yes, Munchie, I'm gonna call Maxine because Maxine is the one that tell me, and I call you because Munchie was saying. Munchie was saying that you never know.
Diary, okay, make sure talk. Maxine in my
Munchie
comment.
was saying that me never know say Foley did that cause your son. I me say yes, Munchie. Maxine me go call who tell me. And I call Maxine and she say what me say no, me say because me I tell Munchie say Foley did that cause me pick me as Munchie said she never know about that.
Yeah.
Give me some hot pepper. That's what I said. Maxine, I'm going to keep a secret for me like me and you chat blood clot nobody. Dirty woman. Oh. So that's here come up about how push call it. Bitch, go anything me talk, me can blood clot talk it. Come in a chat, girl. Anything me have to say, me say. Me call back you because you is the one. When Munchia said no, she didn't know that. I call back you. No, look it up. I call back you because you're the one told me that. I didn't hear it. I said I never hear it. It's Maxine told me that. I said Maxine told me that. So when you give Munchie the story, you get it blood clot good and clear. Like how me bumbo clot said it, anything me say me can blood clot. Coming on name out and no girl crutches. And any girl me want chat, me supposed to chat them. Me chat any blood clot from chat upon them.
But the woman now argue with you.
She just say she not gonna name drop like you, but
no, she a name drop because think about it because Munchie come over here first today.
That means you ever make she start talk, amount of people where you chat to her.
Me never chat nobody to her.
And when the blood clot go, Kanyam!
That no make sense. Me never chat nobody with her diary. I never chat nobody with this woman. That's why I could jump up and said what I go to her and said. I don't chat people because I don't chat people diary. Because I don't have no time for doing that. So me not have to, me not have to say, I wonder if a Carolina or Bachelina, anything me talk, me can say yes, a diary me tell that, a diary me say, because I know where me go,
I
and me know where me
truth
see.
hurt, man, truth hurt, you know, so human words them powerful, so every time woman talk, come you sound like an idiot. You say the woman at this and woman
Come suck me out, man. Batty man, lift up, man. Batty man, go suck your mother.
No,
Go suck your mother, Batty man. You want a food in your mouth.
That's all I can tell you.
You're so good like a dog. Move on, go. You mother, Miss Maxine, man. Mad. Move on a mad blood clot. The woman, Miss Maxine, call me and tell me, say the man a baller. I'm going to beg her. I beg her to go. That beggar to be in court team. That was the one we make him. And Mr. Torres, the lime at it. You show your woman a lie. There is stop playing a man. Let me talk to you. You show your all the woman are wicked. The woman all be the diary.
If she not, well, I know if Blair, Munchie and Puss are very good friends. If you know, say she never chat her those settings.
I lie my tail. I don't tell
you. You may say me family, but I tell no lie. Push better.
Me chat Munchie say what? I lie my tail.
Just notice when the woman attack, she just raise her voice. You know what the woman to talk. So
talk to her.
Because she guilty.
Guilty for what?
Yes, me. The whole internet know
that. Guilty for what? So she can't talk what me say. But you can't. Let me chat blood clot. Munchie say what me chat Munchie. Munchie can't beat me. Let me have no food for Munchie. Let me chat Munchie. Let me chat Munchie.
Yes, me.
What reason would I have to talk about Munchie?
What is sense in coming and saying she chat Munchie?
Yeah, what reason me have to chat Munchie? Yeah, what me chat Munchie say? What did I chat Munchie say? I'm gonna stop your mother, go ahead. Yeah, you woman are mad people. Suck your mother, bad man. That don't make no sense. Talk about the chat. That's why Munchie she come over here and talk about. I like your tell.
Everybody.
I like your tell.
Everybody. What we're saying is that, yeah, say a broad statement like that and I leave it out there just reckless.
Yeah, can't leave it out.
At least talk about the chat say bad man. Your woman must tell you, yeah, your woman come see me with the dog. Why you come suck me dog food? You see how me donkey? Want me donkey? Fuck out your ear now. And that's you do. And that's you do last time. And that's you do now. And that's you do last time. And that's you do now. And that's you do last time. And that's pussy. Pussy. You are liar. Tell me, when we chat Munchie with?
I tell you one instance.
Yeah, tell me one instance. You nobody ever talk about Munchie. So lie my tell. Lie my tell.
Munchie, come off my life. Puss can't see a lie, me I
When
tell.
you say?
She can't see a lie, me I
When
tell.
she says she
In night,
who want chatter.
When you say?
you see me, so she stay, brother.
No, talk when me munchie, talk when, talk when you say me chat munchie with.
But
At him and it me chat
you remember at
munchie.
night,
So what?
you say she does have to chin about this
So
for me, I
she
say.
said, hold on, him a try tell her, hold on. Go ahead, Blair.
In night, when you get up on the life with Munchie, and Munchie when get ignorant and hang up and come out for your life, why you turn to me and say, Puss?
Which part me say you if you say something to your body man, I'm still in the family life.
Jesus
You
Christ,
fuck your
blood
mother, stop
clot.
your life on the body man.
Tonight talk, you talk.
You
Alright, ask
talk.
Munchie if in night, if she can remember the night when she up on the life and get ignorant and come out for the life with pussy nights.
Mm-hmm.
Now ask Munchie
Yeah,
not
she
because
remember
Munchie don't want
what
to hear
happened.
no. If you not talk,
Alright. And when me call Puss and me say, Puss, you must try to hurt the girl and feelings better. The girl and risk and rate, you know. Me no response in a blood clot, girl. Munchie can fuck off. Rare.
So what me say Munchie for fuck off? So what me say for fuck off? Munchie don't tell me fuck off too? Pussy go suck your mother. God. That's weird.
let me tell you, Blair.
No, man.
Yeah,
Munchie tell me.
he told you.
No, man.
All right. All right.
Then they tell me I'm munching all.
Lie my tell. Lie my tell. Lie my tell. I mix up in my look. Me don't care who want listen. That's why I tell you something. Me tell you something.
Easy,
Me
man.
don't have no reason to chat nobody at all.
Disrespect everybody around
Me disrespect any big pussy girl and any sucker boy. Any girl this me this them. Any girl, any blood clot, any blood clot time right now. That suck out your big rotten that old mother. Boop in your blood clot battery will squeeze it 100 clip. The suck your mother. You feel one time donkey bed. Boy your man and I tell you. So why we chat munchy? So why you know make me a munchy argue? So why we chat munchy? Me no give a fuck and munchy no give a fuck. So why we chat munchy? And munchy me for chat. I see me for blood clot chat, so what you gonna do? You may not stop chat munch can chat the panel. Me not stop chatter. Me not blood clot chatter. Every time you go chatter, cause you look too good. Me not stop blood clot bring down munchy. Yeah, I go. Suck your mother.
Everybody.
Blood clot, we are rich. Divide and conquer. With me and my blood clot. Suck your mother.
Hold on. So Candy, you chat me?
Yeah, bitch. Of course.
Boy, you come about push chat munchy. I thought you could have come with pussy. You think you can come and make the divide and conquer with me and munchy. Go suck your mother. Yeah, man, me chat munchy. Yeah. You know, go tell Puppy Tail so me chat her to the body, man. Yeah. Tell our auntie say me chat her to. If Puppy Tail can never say me chat munchy. Remember this man? Diary, if this man, diary, anything me tell this man, me run this man off of the phone. Each time this man calling me run, my puppy beg me, say don't run this man. Batty man, you don't wanna lie, me I tell her, be a treat me tell. To stop interfering the Batman and run him off for the life. Batman lift up. Because I'm going to send your picture of Spanish Town prison tomorrow. Don't worry yourself, Batty fucker. Batty fucker. Batty fucker. I'm going to send out your picture tomorrow. Yeah. You're going to send it, go to Spanish Town prison to the world. I'm not even going to send it, you're sending it to my friend husband. We are police. Go kill your mama. Go to Batman, rape a man.
I feel left out. Me not say no lie. I feel left out because everybody get chat and me not get chat. And not chat me too.
Gary, remember him say yesterday, Gary, last night him say 20 years in their prison. And one video when me play last week, him say 13 years in their village.
I understand how the two are so close and just one little thing and the two are
Everybody your opinion alone matter. I was talking Like you
Bitch,
always do
nobody
that, like
could
you're
hear
the only
you,
one supposed to
bitch.
talk.
Gary, me and Blair wasn't close. Me run him out of the inbox.
Like, stop that, man. I don't know why you alone say matters.
Yeah,
Other
but the
people
two of
have a
them are
plan
cut
and
each
talk
other.
to
Don't
you.
tell me what
You're
to say.
annoying.
Well, if I'm annoying, jump up and go over post.
Gary, me and this man never close.
Like
A
you
Blair
want to
run
tell
me run him
what
out of
people
the
fit do.
inbox.
And you
And
try
him
to cut me up,
upset.
I'm going to argue with you. Stop
Nasty
doing
batty
that.
man.
That's when you always have mouth.
Set that John
Oh my
Crow.
God, here we go.
Fuck your man.
You want to tell people what they do, how to live their life. Soon,
You don't make
listen
no
to me.
sense. Yeah, batty man. Ask the Madu man. Ask Madu man. Maxi the beat ever tell her how to live a life with a batty man like you.
Nobody know why you. Nobody know stay with you. You're not ready.
Well, I'm gonna call me baby. I'm gonna call me
Why
little
don't
baby.
you take yourself and Miss Maxine and go form your relationship
Right.
and done with all this now?
Yeah.
No, but
Batty man.
you're not going to see me out here again, charge. Come in and chat to me, post a be a lie, she tell.
Me no need to tell lie. Me no need to tell lie. Everything me talk, nothing but the truth. But help me God.
Life is she. Go on, man.
Look all. Alright. Brassy. Alright. She talk about the Blair. She talk about the Blair. If I lie, me I tell. She talk about the Blair. If I lie, me I tell. Why you need to tell lie? Why you need to tell lie for me then? If I lie, me I tell for you.
Listen to me, I say, Brashy. Me and my woman now not to do no Instagram post. Just want to look dirty son of my girl.
No fuck.
Want to mix up.
Maxine a batty man. And you a batty man.
Sitter out here go with her fuck.
Where? Go suck her hood. A sister pussy a ball to suck. Remember fly one video me play where my say more suck your pussy to fly.
You understand? Rasta,
Everybody pussy a war suck.
You should have one family in a prison. And you see how many nasty
Hey, pussy. Remember money for the hungry like that. Maxine said.
NCB Black Leopard, don't Blair.
Well, I know that Brassy, the Maxine a ball to me. I tell me say, oh Blair to send Blair. They don't want 80 pounds. Well, I know that Brassy. She a ball to me. I tell me say, oh, he's getting on my fucking nerves. I did have to block him. And he's taking disadvantage. That's why I said to her, don't make him take disadvantage of you. She said, oh, because he want 80 pounds and I give him 30 pounds and he still want more money. And then he's telling me that I have to pay him getting an appeal. He's getting an appeal and I have to pay 200 pounds. Puss, do you have to pay money for your appeal? And I say to her, no, he's lying. Don't make him take it for no clown. She said, okay, Puss, he's lying. I said, don't make him clown you out. Then she turned to me. God, if I'm lying, I'm dying. She turned to me and said, oh, Pussy, you know what you think? I said, Miss Maxine, I cannot tell nobody what to do. But do not make him take away your money from you. That's what I do. And you loan money, he might dig out. Be careful. Be careful if you give him something. Oh, every week he want grocery and he want. No, she say, swear God, take me all if I lie. Me I tell you. She said, she turned to me and she said to me, say, she turned to me and said to me, say, she said, listen up. Brassy, she turned to me and she said, Brassy, she turned to me and she said, in beg her money, Mr. Clark, Maxine, I said to her, I said, Maxine, I said to her, I said, Maxine, why don't just sell him a 50 pound or 100 pound, like how you say, my sell a shop inside and make him buy some things and so him live off of that so him don't have to beg your money every week. And that advice we give the woman because she complains, say, beg her. Every minute she send him 80 pound and she give him 30 pound and him upset and I said, dirty, I swear to God that she tell me. What me need to tell me what me benefit from? Me no lie like you. Me not fear tell lie. Me not fear tell lie. I don't need to tell no lie, sir. Me don't need to tell no blood clot lie. What me need to tell lie for? And out of everybody, me I got chat. Me I got come blood clot chat munchi with you. Batty man. Me I got come chat munchi with you. Pussy when me have so much Peter, me have so much people from blood clot chat munchi with them. Me I got come chat munchi with you. Batty man, go suck your mother.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's all that you
Go
do.
suck your mother. Go suck your mother. Come suck me out. I want to take me out and bust up your blood clot. Go your pussy. You want shit in your mouth. Move your blood clot. And you munch.
What time out
You hear this batty man I tell you come over and chew out before you call me and ask me. Like me and Blair a friend. How many times I tell me and Blair is not friend and Blair run? A puppy tail have to beg me. A puppy tail have to beg me say, oh you angle the man so pussy. Me say puppy tail the man is a pussy. The man is a batty man. Me don't want him to ring me. A puppy tail have to say no puss. Don't angle him so man my son man. You don't have feelings you know. Me have more than one man confused. Me man confused the blood clot. My man confused. My man confused. We have man confused. Man a east, man a west, man a north. Crazy, me full of man. Me full of blood clot.
No man now why you puss?
No, I bet you
Puss no man now why you? Which right if man that really want a big fat sour blood
look
clot?
good na blood clot. Look good na blood clot. Fatter at na blood clot.
All when I last man and I rush determined to be what the king now go on your blood clot.
I want to this man.
Talk to me nice. It's a talk to me nice drunk up so all when I last man.
Papa tell me phone.
Determined not to you.
Sure.
Cause you try go over there.
determined now?
You try go over there. If you try not to chat to the man and the man run your way.
You there?
You feel like that.
Everybody all lie that. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Oh,
answer my
you know what you about the back as a determined give me. It's a big term I wrote now.
No, I want to chat with big crowd, waste girl. She don't love England. She just walk and fuck on your whole England.
I saw big pearl this.
She's a place I move and go to place and fuck it on.
I said talk about woman.
No, I want a waste girl to the city. Sting like a dog. Papa internet and go man, I go look alive when you stink the blood. You can't smell the people.